How to leave a group story on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can easily leave a group story on your Snapchat. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Snapchat app, then go to the stories by sliding to right or tapping here. To leave the group story, press and hold the story. Then tap on leave story. You will get two options, to leave or block. If you tap on block, you will not be added to the story again. If you just want to leave, tap on leave. And that's how you can leave a group story on Snapchat.